In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this checker flag animation. Let's create a plane G, X, and 1 to move the plane like this. R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. This is optional. I'll move the origin to the 3D cursor. Let's make the plane to look like a flag. In edit mode, type 1 to vertex select. A to select all. Right-click and S to subdivide it at least 25 times. Let's select the vertices that will stay intact after we add a cloth physics to the mesh. Ctrl-G to vertex group. Let's go to Shape and add the vertex group as the pin group. Right-click to shade smooth. I'll create a flag pole mesh by using a cylinder and a UV sphere. Let's add a checker texture for the flag. Lastly, we need to add a wind force field. I'll rotate it and test the wind strength. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.